In today's video, we are going to show you how to submit an assignment, an activity here in Edpuzzle, which is super simple, but of course, there are a few important steps to make sure your progress saves correctly. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and then on the left side panel of your dashboard, I want you to click the My Classes. Here, all I have to do is click on the assignment or activity that you wanted to submit, for example, this one, okay, and click the View as Student. Because this requires us to answer the questions for this specific activity. Now, as you may notice, there is an open-ended question, okay? We need to type in our answer. Click the Submit button. All right, click the next one, and then there is a multiple choice, and then we need to choose the answer for this question. Of course, that's going to be answer ASAP. Click the Submit button. All right. Now, here, just click the next button because we are right, and we got our points here. All right. Of course, all I have to do at this point, once the questions has been answered, all I have to do is click the Submit button if that appears, all right? And basically, you want to make sure that do not close the tab early, because if you close before finishing, your progress might not save, right? Click the Exit button, and basically that's how you submit an assignment or an activity here in Edpuzzle. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.